You're getting ready to have foundation repair started on your home, and now you are extremely worried that your windows are going to be affected by this lifting and raising process from foundation repair on your home. The big question you're probably asking yourself right now is, do I have to worry about my windows breaking during the lifting process of foundation repair? I'm Austin with Edgar Foundation Repair, and know the concern that can come with lifting and raising your house. I have actually lifted houses personally. I've put my foot on the jack and have seen how homes react to the lifting process. So to answer your question, no. Typically, windows are not going to be a big concern whenever we start lifting and raising your home. There are some actions that we can take to prevent this from being a problem, such as maybe removing a little bit of caulk and just giving ourselves some extra space. Or if it's a brand new window, maybe we're not even lifting in general. Maybe we're just taking more of a stabilization approach. But typically the answer is no. Windows are not going to be broken from foundation repair itself, from the lifting. What could happen is just maybe just negligence, not paying attention sort of thing. Maybe a shovel is dropped or something else happens to break a window, but the lifting process itself is not going to be a big concern for breaking any windows. What should you do from here? If you are super concerned and still just really unsure if these windows are going to be affected on your home, especially if you're working with us, you can always give us a shout.